Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the device so removal is clean and reversible. Unlock the phone and make a quick backup of your home layout. This helps if you want to restore later. Once done, open Settings, then tap Wallpaper and Style or Themes. Names vary by model and OS. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled so the system can access theme assets. You're now in the place where Themes live and where you'll choose to remove or reset the current theme. You'll now locate the active theme and choose how to remove it. From Themes, go to My Page or My Stuff to list installed themes. Tap the one currently applied. Preview to confirm it changes wallpapers, icons, and system sounds. This tells you what will revert. Then choose Remove, Delete, or Apply Default. Apply Default typically resets everything to the Samsung or Android default. Take your time here because removal will affect multiple UI elements. Proceed with the remove action when ready. You finish by confirming the default look and handling any leftovers. After removal, reboot the device so the launcher and system services reload default icons, fonts, and widgets. If some icons or fonts persist, go to App Samsung Home or your launcher and clear cache or data, then reapply defaults. If problems continue, reinstall the theme app and remove again. Only consider factory reset as a last resort because that erases your data. If you hit errors, make sure your OS is updated and storage isn't full.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.